Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again and again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my tips and tricks how I maintain or how my perfume stay longer to my body, to my skin. Okay, so I know I already talked about this from my previous vlog about the perfumes, but this one is different. Okay, the tips and tricks on how I smell good at all times. Okay, aside from what I did from my previous video, this is my another tricks as well. So first is remember to moisturize our body. Moisturizing means is to put body cream, body lotion to our body. This is only an example, okay guys? So first, after take shower, put this in all over our body. So this one is a perfume body cream already, and then after that you put your spray or your cologne or your perfume. Okay, second, know where you spray for you to stand out. Okay, so number one, put in here. You know why? Because that's where our heart is. Second, put behind our ears, in our neck, in our elbow, and down below our knees. Most especially, spray in here where you want to kiss. That's very true. Honestly, it's effective. Please do not spray on the fabric because it won't stay. Okay? Parang yung jowa mo lang hindi nag-i-stay. So, wag ilagay sa damit. Third, do not rub your perfume. I mean your wrist. So, once you put your perfume here, do not rub it. You're ruining the scent of the perfume. Okay? Because remember, our perfume has the special scent. But what you can do is just like after you put your perfume in your wrist, just dab, like pat, do it like this. Do not rub it. Okay? Number 4, I always do this. Okay? Especially if I have the same perfume. For example, this J'adore, this is my hair mist. Okay, so okay, if just happen you don't have the hair mist or hair spray, what you can do, if you still want to smell good, just spray in here in your brush like this. Just spray like that, and then remove the alcohol, and then brush it to your hair. And then whenever you do this, you're gonna smell good. Okay, do not spray directly to your hair, or else your hair is gonna dry out, because perfume or body spray or anything, it has higher content of alcohol, so be careful. So if you don't have those, just do spray on the brush and brush it to your hair. Number 5, do not overdo it, or do not overspray your perfume. Okay, remember what I told you a while ago, do not spray too much, or else the person beside you or the person you're gonna see, like you're gonna encounter, it might get mad at you. Okay, number 6, you can bring your perfume with you, but do not bring the whole bottle. If you don't have this one, get a Q-tips, and then spray both sides. And then if you have a Ziploc bag, put it in there, because I don't have a Ziploc bag in here upstairs. So just lock it like this and put it in your purse, and whenever you want to put some more, just do it like this, and then voila, you smell good again. Number 7, put your perfume or fragrances properly in a cool, dark place. Okay, because perfume hates sun or heat, humidity, and light. Okay, they hate it. You know why? Because it's gonna smell bad, or the scent is not the same as the real scent. Okay, and also just want to remind you, once you open your perfume, the lifespan of the perfume is 5 years. But as my experience, my perfume still have the same scent, even it's 9 years, even it's 10 years. Promise, guys. I have lots of perfume that I open it and it's more than 5 years and it's still the same, and the longevity is still the same. Yeah, promise. That's why I still have those. Number 8, know when you throw or toss your perfume. Okay, because sometimes, guys, even feel that your perfume doesn't smell the same as before. Don't be afraid, don't worry about letting go of our perfume. Like they said, if you let go, if it's yours, it's still gonna come back. It means if you can afford to buy it again, then why not buy it again, right? It's a win-win situation. And also, you need to use your perfume, even if that's branded or not, for you not to waste or not to spoil your perfume, because remember the lifespan. And sometimes even it lasts long, it stays longer, the smell is not the same anymore. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you learned something on my tips and tricks. And if you have any suggestion, please comment down below, or even if you have questions, just comment down below on my description, in my comment section. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, guys, nothing is permanent in life. There's no promise for tomorrow. So let's spread love and smile all the time. Stay safe, God bless, and I love you. Bye. Mwah.